Alright, everybody, big day today after a huge nightmare. So, let me tell you something real quick. I've been looking at solar generators for quite some time. I don't know the difference between a battery and a solar generator. I think a battery or a solar generator is just a glorified name for a battery. So, with that being said, this was a huge nightmare. I ended up buying this off of eBay, and I got scammed. I found out the original one that I bought, which came with a solar panel and all this other jazz. I was like, oh my god, it's a great idea, great deal, and I got it for real cheap. It ended up being a fraudulent listing. I got all my money back, thank you eBay. But to make a long story short, I ended up going right through the company. I was going to go through their website, but I ended up finding the company's eBay username, and I ordered one directly from them. So they sent it out, and they ended up shipping it to the wrong address. I spent like a day and a half knocking on my neighbor's doors, driving around like I was looking for a lost dog or something like that. And I finally found it. It finally got delivered, which it said it was delivered before, but it was delivered to the wrong address. So finally they got it straightened out. So, let me ask you guys, what brand do you think I'm going with? Now, you can place your bets now. Do you think I'm going with a Jackery? Do you think I went with a Blue Eddy? Do you think I went with a Pecron? Or do you think I went with another brand? I'll give you a second, and you guys can place your bets if you want to gamble on which one I went with. Alright, now let's go in here, let's take a look. I did tons of research, and I found out this one was actually the best of the best. Pulling this off, and they're not sponsoring this video, by the way. And which, one other thing I wanted to mention, their customer service is absolute crap. Like, their customer service is so bad. I asked them if they wanted to sponsor one of my videos. They didn't send anything back. I told them that the item was lost, and it was just a huge fiasco. They just basically ignored everything I said, so I had to figure out where my item went. I almost returned this because I was so dissatisfied with their customer service. But they make a phenomenal product. Alright, here it is. Now, if you can't tell by the colors, I don't know what else to show you. So here, ready? I'm going to pull it out one-handed. There it is, Pecron E600 LFP. Now this has all kinds of awesome features on it. These things are amazing. I got a killer deal on it. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, Pecron decided not to sponsor this video, so I had to pay full price. But it's basically worth it. I notice a lot of people, they use these huge Pecron like the E2000 or the E1500, I think something like that is a little bit overkill, considering I'm going to have some kind of bifractional solar panel up top on my roof. That's going to be another unboxing. Bifractional means it from both directions. On the solar panel, it actually refracts off of my car. There's sunlight that refracts from my car, and the bottom of the solar panel actually absorbs it. Not just from the bottom, but from the top as well. So we'll turn this on real quick. Ooh, there it goes on. It looks awesome. It's got a DC input. Two different settings for the inputs there. DC output. Alright, AC outputs. Still has a cellophane on there. I like that. But yeah, this is basically it, folks. And I'll show you guys the install video. How I have everything plugged in here. This will probably sit on my back shelf in the rear, so I can plug stuff in when I have the rear hatch open as well. But yeah, it's going to go right on that shelf, and it'll fit perfect. So thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all of your awesome feedback. You guys are amazing.